What up, YouTube? It's Marquise back at Tex Figure Out. It's been a while. Happy New Year to everybody. In this quick video, I'm gonna just show y'all how to change the blade on a die grinder to a grinder or to a cutting blade. In this case, we're gonna change it to a cutting blade. Let me show y'all how to do that real quick. You wanna take your flat wrench. You wanna sit it right here. You want to put it right here on this nut here. Hold it up against it. In this case, it's a little rig, but it's the same application if you don't have this nut like I do. I just put a 7/16 nut on here. Sometimes it comes with the factory nut. In this case, I put a 7/16 nut on here, but it's the same thing, same concept. Just put the 7/16 wrench here. Hold it there. And the back. Take your 7/16, loosen it up. Take that 7/16 off of there. Remove that old blade. The blade is old, small. So you know it's getting old. You don't want to cut it to where it's close to the bore. So you can tell the difference from an old one and a new one. Take the new one, sit it there. Make sure you put the washer back. Take the blade. Take your nut. Center it nice and smoothly. Take that wrench on the back, hold it in place. Just like that. Get yourself an air hose. Test that baby out. That's what you should get. No wiggles, no looseness. She's all good. You good to go. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share this video. I'm out.